How to reactivate Instagram account. Hello everybody. To reactivate an Instagram account, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up your Instagram app, and once you open it up, you should be finding a login page. So in order to reactivate your account, all you gotta do is in this username, email address, or mobile number section, you need to add up your account's information that you have used in order to create your account. If you remember the username, you may add that. Otherwise the email address, otherwise the phone number. After that, all you gotta do is simply tap on password, go on with entering up a password, and once that is done, you may log in by tapping on this login button on your screen. And after that, if you have any two-factor authentication, you just need to go ahead and enter the code, and if your account is temporarily deactivated, you can reactivate by just logging back with your user credentials. So that is it. That is how you reactivate your Instagram account. So I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next one. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.